Amphibious Indonesia has been shaping the future of dredging solutions, introducing the AI02-8PCL, an 8-ton long-arm amphibious excavator. Designed for efficient dredging and waterway maintenance in rivers, canals, and shallow aquatic environments. The AI02-8PCL combines amphibious mobility with extended long-reach working capability. Its long-arm configuration enables extended reach, allowing safe and precise operations from a stable position. Powered by a reliable 8-ton class excavator platform, engineered for durability and consistent performance. Equipped with amphibious pontoons, designed for both water and soft ground operations. Featuring a retractable and extended pontoon system, allowing flexible width adjustment during operation and transport. The pontoon retract mode improves mobility in narrow canals and urban waterway environments, while the extended pontoon mode enhances flotation and working stability on water surfaces. This configuration makes the AI02-8PCL ideal for canal normalization and sediment removal projects. The long arm reduces the need for frequent repositioning, resulting in higher productivity and operational efficiency. Equipped with a hydraulic spud system, providing strong anchoring during dredging operations. The spud system ensures machine stability, especially in flowing water and soft riverbed conditions. This improves digging accuracy, safety, and overall operational control. Its super long arm configuration allows wider working coverage, reducing repositioning time and improving efficiency. Its amphibious capability allows operation in areas inaccessible to conventional excavators, especially in soft soil and shallow water zones. AI02-8PCL, reliable performance for modern dredging solutions. Amphibious Indonesia, your trusted dredging solution.